It's Tina. So I thought today I would make that monkey bread that I talked about last night. So the recipe for the monkey bread that I found uses biscuit dough, but I have some leftover pumpkin spice rolls that were still hanging out in the fridge. So I'm not going to have to use all the ingredients that they used because I've got everything done right here. But what I am going to do, it calls for a stick of butter, but I'm going to use 1 stick of butter to just melt in the bottom of my Tupperware stack cooker. There's just so much stuff you can do with this. So I'm going to put that butter in and I'm going to get that melted. And while that's melting, I'm going to work on chopping up this. I'm giggling because my dog can stand on her back legs and she's standing up trying to see what I'm doing. She's crazy. She thinks she's getting in. And then I wanted to show you, so in my little Fridge Smart, I still have some blueberries in there that have been in there for well over 2 weeks. And they are still good. I can see if I can grab hold of one. They are still good. So I figure I'm going to pour those in a bowl and I'm going to eat those today. But we're going to put some new berries into the Fridge Smart. Oh, I could hear that butter sizzling. I don't know how many of these I'll fit in here, but I also have another Fridge Smart container in there that's full of fruits and vegetables that all used the closed. Oh, I got almost the whole container in there, so we're just going to eat those today. That'll be good. So remember, it shows you, it's got this wonderful little guide, and it will show you whether it needs to be closed, open, or halfway open, depending on what kind of breather it is. So I'm going to put the lid on, and this goes into the closed position, so it stays right in the middle. My husband will enjoy that. So that's all set. I guess I didn't get this part done, did I? Well, where's the edge that you... Oh, I'm looking at the wrong side of the can. Of course. So let's get this open. Oh, there it popped. Did you hear it? It's great. Let me see how well my butter did. Oh yeah, the butter is almost entirely melted, so that's good. And then I've got my cone attachment. So that's going to go right in the middle there. You can feel when it gets on the, there's an indented spot in there, or it's actually above, it's raised. And you can feel when it's on there. So that's good. So then I'm just going to try and carefully get these out because these are already covered in cinnamon, pumpkin spice. Let me smell. Pumpkin spice. Smells good. So I'm just going to use some scissors and just chop them up and just dump them all over. Woohoo! I'm hoping that this works well. So let's see. Just all over the place, just some scissors. So, and of course the dogs are very close to me watching. I will try and lower this screen in a minute so you can see. They're funny. They're hoping something falls their way. It's going well. Just a little bit everywhere. So the only thing left in here is the icing. You can see it's just the icing. I'm going to set that off to the side. And all kind of greasy. So you can see I just chunked it all in there. We're going to put the lid on. Back in the microwave for 6 minutes. Let's start that. Bring my hands up a little. Let's see if I can do this. There's one. You can see her. All right, let's be back on in a minute. Okay, so the microwave just went on. Let's see what it did. So that looks pretty good. You can see how it rose up. It looks pretty good. Let's see if it'll flip over. It's supposed to flip over onto the lid, and I don't know. We'll see. Ready? I think we managed it. There's that. Take my little ringy-ding out. My little cone. And it flipped over pretty decent. It smells really good. Get up for it. Okay, so there's one of the pieces that just got chopped up with the scissors. Came apart really easily. Really, really buttery. So maybe a little less butter next time. But it did turn out. All right. Thanks.